And welcome friends to the YOLO V4 custom object detection on Colab. So before that I have to tell you something about this. So what I have done is I have just downloaded the darknet master from this website alexy, and I have just put it inside a folder. I have put the all the things. You know that in Colab, CMake and everything would be pre-installed, and more than that I have downloaded the darknet covenant from here. Okay, darknet 53 covenant for a custom training, and I have made some scripts for anchors and everything. Okay, so in order to do that, what all you need to know is you have to download this and you have to put inside a folder, and I will tell you the details of this folder. I have put it in a specific folder in here. Okay, so enough of my face. Say, so what you have to do is you have to go here and you can see darknet master, and in here you have YOLO v3 weights and darknet covenant, but the data set should be inside this, inside the darknet x64, and classes dot names and ts dot data is over here. In ts dot data, as you can see from here, it should be number of classes is 4, and this should be changed according to the content directory, and the backup should be given. Okay, backup should be created. Okay, backup should be created. Okay, then backup is over here. Okay, so it's better that you just give this like this. Okay, just give this like this in backup. Okay, if it is not stored, we will see what to do. So just give it like this. Backup should be created. So in the data set, you have to go to the data, create a folder called obj. You have to create it, and these are the files we are going to do custom object detection on YOLO. So these images are of really very little resolution. So you can see here, see from here, you have 4 types of things. You have this traffic sign and everything, and there are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, and in another thing it would be 2, 3, and in another thing it would be 4. So I will give you the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to annotate it. So for annotation I have made a lot of tutorial. You can go and watch my tutorial on this. Okay, you can go and watch my tutorial on this, so it will not be that hard for you. Okay, so you can watch my tutorial on that. So these are the details I can give you. So you have to know the resolution of the images also. Okay, you can go here, and before that what you have to do is you have to go here and see the properties. Okay, what are the resolution of the images? This 512 KB, not this are the thing. So the details, so the images are 1360 cross 800, very big images. Okay, so these are kept over here, and after that classes dot in data there is classes dot thing for 4 classes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have also created names dot list. Okay, in this also this should be given. Okay, this also this should be given. Okay, the 4 classes, and ts data is also, oh my god, what happened? ts data is also distributed over here, 4 classes, and you have to change this train and text. And in here in obj dot thing, I have created a script called process.py. Okay, in process.py there will be a minor change in the code. You have to just add r in this, and you have to change the this thing, this path of the directories path, and you have to give 10%. So there are 899 images. Of 10% will go for test and train, and this script was taken from this site Yamaric YOLO Rubik's Cube. I'll give you this site also. Okay, from this site, how to build a custom object in YOLO object detector using YOLO v3 Python. you can go and copy this, and you have to change the path and directory. Okay, so I have just paste the process.py over here. Okay, so these are the details. Then the other details are, you have to come here. So in obj it is there, in data files in obj the data, the images and all those process.py, and classes.names is in the data, and the ts data is in the data, and cfg files are over here, and in here also classes data. And now what you have to do is, you have to then start the training classes.names and this, and also what you have to do is, you have to copy the names.list. Where are these things? So we can take here, this is the names.list. Okay, then copy this and put the again over here. Okay, names.list is over here. So these are all given over here. Backup is over here. Okay, so now before starting the training, you have to make note of all these things. Okay, so I have uploaded this to my drive, so please don't misuse my drive. I'm not going to give you this so called my Colab notebook. You have to try it yourself. So I'm going here and opening the Colab, starting from here. Colab. Okay, and click this. So we are going to use the cloud GPU. I'm going to start a new node. Okay, let it start. So the new notebook has been opened. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to change the runtime first to GPU. Okay. Okay. So we have changed the runtime to GPU. So now what we are going to do, we are going to test the what type of graphics card. NVIDIA SMI. So we are not a robot. So it's taking some time. So it may be not a lucky day, because we have only 7 gigs of memory graphics card. Okay, Tesla P4, we have received Tesla P4, 7 gigs of memory graphics card. So in this we have to mount the drive and run the compilation. So we have to go here. Okay, and mount mount drive in Colab. So let's click this. And in here you have to copy this. You have to copy this and take it to over here and paste this, Control V, and hit this. Now you click this and your drive's detail will be opening. You just click which drive you want it. Okay, and click allow and copy this and paste it over here. Click enter. Then your drive will be mounted. After that you click it, you can see that drive is being mounted. Okay, in drive you have this darknet master. Okay, what we have just uploaded. So we have to copy those things. So you have to again click a code, and you have to see in which directory you are in. pwd. Okay, so you are in the content directory. So you just copy this and paste it over here, control V, go to home, cd, go here, percentage cd content and slash g drive slash my slash drive slash in this darknet master darknet darknet master. So let's just copy this to the directory. Just use mv, okay, content directory darknet master folder, and just click this and just type content, and you just what you do is you are going to move this to the content folder. Okay, just click this, so the darknet master will be copied outside. Okay, no such file or directory. Okay, no such file or directory. Okay, so you should give this symbol, then only it will understand. Then you just again do this. So it is not able to understand this. Content G drive, my drive. Okay, you have to give this as my drive. Okay, I have just made a mistake. Okay, now you just do this. So I have made a mistake in this spelling. So this is the correct one. So you just click it. So now it will be moved. So it is copying it. As you can see, darknet master is appearing over here. Okay, so let's wait. It will take a very long time, so please wait. It will take more than 1 hour or something because it's a very huge file. And okay friends, I think everything has been copied. Let's check it. So go to the build darknet x64, and in here data, and in obj everything should be copied, so it should show that everything is copied. Okay, it's taking a long time. Okay, let's see, every images is inside the folder. Okay, 899 images with text with process.py is inside it, and everything has been done. Okay, so now what shall we do is we have to run the code. So we have to check in which directory are we in. twd, okay, we are in the content now, so we have to build it. So now what you have to do is you have to copy this content to v and get here and take cd content and get to the directory darknet darknet master darknet master. You have to get into this directory. Now you have to check the directory pwd. Okay, to check the directory, you are inside it. So then you have to check the contents inside it, ls. Okay, so you have everything over here. So make file is over here. So make file is here. So in this I have to tell you that this make file is really different. Okay, so I will tell you the details. So in this you have to note the main thing you have to notice. You have to note the architecture. Okay, you have to note the architecture and these things. So only for Tesla P4 cards it's not given, only for V100 it is given. So this is let's go here and see NVIDIA SMI. So you have this type of 8 GB graphics card. Okay, you just have 7 GB of this graphics card. So it is Tesla P4. Okay, so it's not running any processes. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to get to this make file and do as GPU as one, put on as one, save it. Okay, and that's it. OpenCV and those all are not needed. So you have saved it. So and you have to get here. First you have to delete this make file in here. Okay, delete this file and again get here. So we have made a make file over here in here. So go to the folder and upload the make file again. Okay, click OK. So it is being uploaded. So now what you do is you again get here and just type make. Okay, make is completely different from darknet. So first let's try to build it, build.sh. Okay, so just type build.sh. So permission is denied, so you have to give chmod 777 and you have to click this. Then again what you have to do is to get here and type build.sh. Okay, so it is building it. So darknet and uselib will be created. See this, the cmake has been installed priority. Okay, so let it build. So in here two files will be created, darknet and uselib. We have to move it inside the build folder, inside the darknet folder, inside the x64 for compilation. So let this finish. Okay, it's building it. So the compilation has been finished and this is the darknet pi and these are all these things. So uselib and darknet should be copied. So you have to go here, copy the path and just paste it. Okay, copy the path of the darknet and uselib. Okay, and just paste it. So you have to take this to build darknet x64. Okay, you have to take it inside this directory. So you have to get some any of the files path. Okay, and just give it over here and you just delete this. Okay, and what you do is you copy this. Okay, copy this and control V, paste this and copy this, get here and type mv control V. You have to move it to this path from this path, from this path, from this path. You have to move it from this path, okay, to here. Okay, it's not defined properly. Okay, so again get here and copy this, just type follow this correctly, control V, N, and you have to take it to this folder, okay. Okay, it has to go inside this path. So now what you have to do is, yes, it's correct, I think so. Okay, it has been copied. Okay, inside the x64 folder it is. Okay, darknet, just darknet. Okay, just darknet. This is it's not found over here. So again, you just come here. It's over here. Okay. So again, what you have to do, you have to copy the uslib. Okay, uslib, and paste it over here. Copy this and paste it, and just type this. It's been done, so you can check this. Okay, uslib is over here. So then what you have to do is, you have to check inside this directory. Okay, now you have to get into the x64 directory, and what you have to do is copy the path. Now cd, paste this x64. Now get into this x64 directory, okay, or just type cd dot dot. Okay, now you get into the darknet. Now still you have to move some files. You have to move the yolo-v3 also there to check it. Okay, to check it. So let's, in which directory are we in? pwd. Yeah, in the darknet, build darknet, build darknet. So you have to get out of the build and darknet. So cd arknet darknet. Okay, no such file as darknet. Just type build, build. Okay, just showing some error. This is what happened in previous thing also. Control V. Okay, cd darknet. So again, you just type cd, and again you just type, you'll get out of the build. Now you are in the darknet master. Now what you do is, you just type mv, and in here you have to move the YOLO weights. Copy this, okay, copy path, and just paste this, and come here, and copy this thing. Here you have to copy, because you are making a custom object detection. Control C and Control V. Now you just move this, So the YOLO weight should be moved inside the x64 folder. Okay, so let's see. Okay, YOLO weights has been moved. So now you have to check it. You have to get here and go to the YOLO v3. Okay, YOLO v3 darknet website and copy some script. So it is over here, and get back here. Now you just type in which directory are you in, wd. Okay, so let's hold this for some time, this directory. So now we have to get into this x64 directory. So copy this. Okay, copy this, Control C, and again get here, CD, and Control V, paste it. Okay, Control V, paste it, and after you paste it, what you have to do, you have to get into this directory. Okay, now we are in this directory. So now we have to run this code and see whether darknet is working. Okay, because it is using GPU. Control V. So let's see the darknet is working. Okay, you have to give this exclamation. Okay, it seems to work good. Okay, predicted with warning, so it is running very fast. 33 milliseconds, it took just 33 milliseconds. So let's see again how much fast it is compiling. Okay, okay, unable to initiate the server, some problem is coming. Okay, now just get here and cd, just type this. Okay, so cd x64, if you want to get back into that, you can get back. Okay, now we are in the x64. So you have to initiate the training and do lots of stuff. So now it has been done. So after that, what you have to do is, you know that data and everything is given over here. So you have to go to the here and get to here obj. Okay. Come on. So getting very slow. And you just copy the path and file new. Don't save this. So get here. Go to the build darknet x64 and here data obj and go to the process.py. Okay, now paste this over here. It will be not, this text is not needed. Okay, it's not needed. So just paste this in this manner. Okay, paste this in this manner. So 10% of all those things. Just save it. So far so good. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to delete this, get back here and delete the process.py over here. Delete the process.py over here. Okay, then again get back to the up, and again upload the process.py which you have changed, okay, which you have changed. So go to the darknet master build darknet x64 data obj, and your file is over here. So you have to note that you have given this correct prompt directory, okay. So the process.py has been got over there. So now you have to get from x64, okay, control V to obj data slash obj, and what to do, content darknet master data slash obj. Okay, let's click this. Okay, we are inside the obj. Now we have got inside it. Now we have to go here and initiate process dot py and go to the python 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 and do this exclamation, okay. So now in here train and text files will be created. Wait for a second. Okay, train and text files have been created. Now download the train. Pictures. Now you just open this. Okay, everything has been fine. JPEG has been copied correctly. Okay, so everything for test it is given. So then you have to check it for train. Then you have to check for train. Okay, just paste it over here. Then show in folder. Then open this. For train also it has been copied correctly. All those 10% for test and 10 rest for train. Everything has been copied correctly with the thing. So now get back to here. Okay, so now we have to tweak the next thing would be tweaking the data files. Okay, we have to get the directories files name. So OTE notepad, and now what you have to do is you have to get down. Okay, get down to the obj. It's taking a long time because there is a huge file. And now what you have to do is you have to get here, and in here you have to get the path, copy the path, okay, and just paste this for test and also for train. Okay, just paste this. So now what you have to do is you have to get to the TS data. Okay, TS data over here in this folder, and go to here, here, build, and you have to go to TS data is so in two places. It's over here, one thing is over here, another thing is over here, okay, in this folder. So now what you have to do, you have to get here and paste this and go here and copy these things for test. You have to copy this thing, okay, and paste it over here, control V, Okay, and for train you have to copy this thing, Control C, and for train you have to copy and paste this, Control V. Okay, so for now for classes.names, so in here for classes.names you have to go to the data and copy the path and get back here and just place this classes.names, Control. Okay, so it has been pasted. So file save. So this save, let's see where is it. So it's in the x64. Okay, so now what we have to do is uh, in ts data, in this also we have to delete it. Okay, and the ts data outside also we have to delete it. Where is it? Here also we have to delete it. Okay, so other things have been given correctly, name, start list, and everything has been given correctly. So in here, so it will be better. So in here, in data you have all those things, and in data also it should be there. So first we have to copy this into data, ts data. Okay, so get back. So get back. So ts data, what we have changed, those folder in my local thing. Okay, ts data is being copied inside the data, sorry, inside the data, and the other thing should be copied uh, inside the data, and other thing should be copied inside the x64. Okay, upload, and ts data is situated over here. So we have done with this now. So everything is correct, I think. So far, so many things have been corrected so far. ts data and everything has been given. So now what you have to do is you have to get here. You are in the obj now, so you have to get back %cd dot. So you will get into the data, then after that you type, you will get into the x64. So this is better now. So you are in the x64 is correct. Okay, x64 is correct. So now what you have to do is, I have the script for this for training. Okay, so you can just close this now. Okay, close this, don't save. So minimize it. And what you have to do is for where is the script? Okay, for calculating anchors you can use this. So this is for calculating the anchors. Okay, this is for the detector train. So you just copy this. I'll tell you what to do. Okay, copy this and just paste this over here. Control V, and in here it should be ts.data. Okay, where is it? Data files. It is, there is ts /data dot data. Okay, and in here in cfg. Okay, yolo v3.cfg custom, yolo v4 custom.cfg. So you just get here. Okay, so you have to change this also. Okay, just download this to the desktop, and in here will be showing up. just paste this. Then what you have to do is put batch division as 16 and subdivision as 16, and these are this. And after that you get back down, put this as 4 and change this to 27 at the last. And you have to also make this for anchors. I'll give you the calculation separately. So first let's see this is running. So yolo-v4 custom is being set. So then what you have to do is you have to delete this yolo-v4 custom over here. Okay, delete this and get back, upload this, get to the desktop. Okay, and yolo-v4 custom, upload it. Okay, now you have to be very careful doing this. So yolo-v4 custom, copy this and just type yolo-v4 custom.cfg, just paste it, control V. Okay, and this for darknet we have just made another folder, darknet code, this thing. So in here it is supposedly, so custom cfg, so you have to get here cfgs, so slash. So in here what you have to do is you have to go here and darknet 53. Okay, just copy this path and just paste this. Okay, it's already inside. Okay, so everything has been done, I think so. So let's try to train it. Data ts.data. Okay, let's try this. Okay, you have to give the exclamation mark and let's see. Okay, it's running. Server couldn't connect. Okay, it couldn't connect. I don't know what's the problem. Couldn't connect to refuse. Warning GTK. Cannot open the server. Couldn't refuse to connect. So let's see this. What happens? So okay. This we have to add GPU. Okay, GPU 0. You have to take this minus, I think so. Don't know what's the problem. So far these are the procedures that I can do. Minus GPU, it's just minus GPUs, minus GPUs. Okay, so the training has started, but I don't know. Chart yolo-v4 custom.png, cannot display. Okay, these are the procedures that we can follow in this. Okay, yolo-v4 custom.cfg and GPUs detector train ts.data. Okay. So let's see what's the problem in Google. So it is telling that cannot display GTK warning, localhost sudo. As suggested in the comment below, I ran sudo apt installer, but I continue to have this problem. Okay, server. So it's a server problem. Okay, so it's just a server problem. So what they are telling is HTTP code, just a server problem. That's it. And cannot display. No, we don't have this on care. Okay, SSH. Looks like local server. And to render the graphics card. Did you find I need it? Okay, just run. Don't show flag. I suppose. Don't show flag. Just run. Don't show. Not working. I'm also getting the same problem. Don't show. So let's try this. Don't show. Don't show. Okay, the training has started. So you just have to run the don't show flag. Okay. So the training has started with some errors. Okay, so let's see the backup is being created. Okay, so that's it. So the training has started. So it took a very long time. Okay, only 4 parts of this has been over. Okay, so so let me show my face and give a successful talk. Okay, friends. So what happens is, um, let's go to the general settings. So let's type this as 800 cross 800. Okay, friends. So this is the thing that is running. So up to 100, the backup should be created over here. Okay. So after this, we will see what happens. Okay. This build, there should be a backup being created. Darknet. And in the darknet x64 there should be a backup over here. In here it should be created, so let's hope for a backup over there. So temp.txt has been created, so let's see. Up to 100 iterations we have to wait. Okay, so the error is 4316, so 4600 and 4621. So let's see the feedback. Okay, this is the basic custom object reduction that you can do with Colab YOLO v4, and that's it. So I will tell you how the backup is being created, and I will just wait until it finishes. Okay, so there were no nans in this, as you can see here, there were no nans, and more than that, PNG YOLO custom PNG will be created. Okay, in x64 more than things has been created. Yolo custom png, I don't think png is being created. Okay, it's not created over here. Okay, it will be created somehow using OpenCV. Okay, so this is what happens when you just run this. Okay, so we have just successfully done with this. Okay, the error is just getting low, so I will tell you what to do. So this is the end of the tutorial as part 1. Okay, I will give you the results at part 2. So this is how you have to do the custom object detection in YOLO v4 in Colab. So this is the complete set of tutorials. Okay, so after this it will be great. Okay, so it is 13. So the error has been getting down. So we just have an 8 GB GPU. Okay, so it should get down, the loss should go down. Okay, so I will wait and tell you the results. I'll combine the both videos and put it as a single video. Okay, I'm just closing this for now.